Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to unlock home screen layout in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, see here, this is home screen layout. If you cannot move particular app, or if you cannot uninstall, if you are not able to uninstall particular app, then what it means, your home screen layout is locked. Okay, so if you would like to unlock a home screen layout, what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen and wallpaper, then tap on home settings, and here just to turn off this button lock layout, so that home screen layout is now unlocked. Okay, because lock layout is turned off, so it is unlocked. Now you can move app or uninstall app. Okay, suppose if you would like to uninstall this Spotify, yes, you can do it. So in this way you can easily unlock home screen layout if it is already locked. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.